Welcome to week 6. First of all, there is a Zoom meeting Tuesday evening at 6:30 p.m. to talk about interviewing patients and in particular all of the assignments connected to the nutrient analysis project spanning weeks 7 and 8. This is a very involved project challenging you with interviewing 2 clients of your choosing to gather 3 days of food intake. They can be friends or family, but they must be healthy adults. You can see that the interview practice on Tuesday evenings at Tuesday evening Zoom session is a preparatory activity for the nutrient analysis project next week. And you will have the chance to interview your peers for practice. This is a low-pressure activity on Tuesday night. We'll have some fun, and you'll learn that there's more to talking with patients than you thought. This is an easy evening with bonus points that are offered for your efforts, and of course the information about all of the assignments connected with this nutrient analysis project in weeks 7 and 8 is very critical. So you will want to attend so that you can really capture all of those particulars. In Blackboard, there are several content areas about how to provide the most meaningful communication. One area called Writing Learning Objectives with SMART Goals can provide you with great focusing tips. So review that very short video. The interviewing process helps us understand how to establish rapport. So if we click in this section right here, how to establish rapport, how to listen, the types of questions that work best, and how to avoid the pitfalls of conversation. There are also 2 video examples here and another one you're going to encounter elsewhere for your review. There are several assignments. Most of them are very low stakes. Go back here. Six A tests how well you've reviewed the Blackboard content. 6B offers that third interview example. That's a recording from one of our distance practicum interns, and you're asked to evaluate her performance. 6C asks you to document details of your peer practice from Tuesday night's Zoom meeting. See you Tuesday night, and the Zoom link is in the announcements. Have a great week.